It is time for the message from the future. The PlayStation 4 from China is coming. Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to a new message from the future. Oh wait. New message from the future. In today's video we are going to talk about the PlayStation Pro from China. Yes, the people from China are still making these clone consoles. And man, I love these clone consoles. So yeah, if you click this video, this means you also really love it. You really want to know what it is. Alright, let's take a close look. It's 8-bit. I know it for sure. 1 out of 10 funny games. So yeah, they're exactly, yep. I must say I really love this model. It looks indeed like a PlayStation Pro. Having here the two basic controllers, that looks a little bit like the PlayStation. You slide it open to put a cartridge in. I think they're using this Famicom slot again. Oh, here we have the power reset button. At the side we're finding controller ports. I must say, they look really like the PlayStation 1. Ah, those Chinese sellers, man. How did he come up with this? So yeah, this is what we're going to get. Or I think this is what we're going to get. I think the games will be 1 out of 10 built inside. So building games, hoping for some good games, but will going to be a lot of crappy games. PlayStation, oh no, the GS4 Pro. Let me know, what do you think of this? I really love to know. I know it's 8-bit and maybe a lot of crappy games, but how do you think of the casing itself? I think the box, also they did a rip-off of the box. Yeah. Alright. I can't wait to that it's come in and we can make a review. So, that concludes this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Welcome to the Wicked family. Hit the little bell. And check out my gaming channel. If you're into retro games, modern games, arcade games, name it. And even some Mugen. Yeah. So yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.